how to buy a Metaplanet token. So this token came under the symbol of MTPLF. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 13 hours ago and increased by 13,000% in the last 24 hours. Now, as you can see, this token trending number 3 in the Ethereum section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, as you can see, after that, go to your wallet and now from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the Ethereum network. After that, click on this plus icon and now you can paste the token address in the search bar, as you can see. Now this is our token, but before we want to add this token to your wallet, now make sure to read that warning. Now if you are ready to go, just click here on this plus icon and now go back to your wallet and now you can search for your token that you just added called MTPLF. I'll just keep searching. As you can see, after you find it, now you can click on it and now click here on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive of that token. After that, click here on swap and now you can buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy MTPLF token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.